A very warm welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. My name is Vijay and today I am absolutely delighted to teach you MS Excel lecture number 83. In this session, we are going to talk extensively about arranging data, specifically focusing on how you can efficiently arrange your data within just a few seconds. It is a very simple yet powerful technique for everyone to learn. As you can see on the screen, we have this data written in such a way that we have the name here, the course here, and the fee. We often get a lot of data in this format and then we have to add it here separately. For example, we want the name to appear separately here, the course to appear separately, and the fee to appear separately. If we write this manually here, like I wrote Ali Raza here, then I will type Ali Raza here, and after that I will type office management here. So doing it this way can take quite a lot of time. But if I want to do this same task in just a few seconds, what will I do? That is what I am going to teach you in this lecture today. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we need to see from which cell our data is starting. That is, look, we have this data here, and the cell we have here is F2, and this data is starting from F2. What we want is that instead of having this data in a single column, it should be separated into different cells. So for this, what we'll do is note that the address of this cell is F2, the next one is F3, and the one after that is F4. So here we click. After clicking, first type F2 here, use the tab key, then type F3, use the tab key again, and then type F4. After that, click here. After clicking, you need to come here, like I clicked here on F5, then use the tab key, type F6 here and F7 here. After that, select this data and drag it down to the bottom. You can do this up to wherever your data goes, just as far as your data extends. So for now, I have data here for 5 or 6 candidates, so we'll just select 5 or 6 cells here. After that, you need to select all the data like this. After selecting, go to the Home tab, then click on Find and Replace and select Replace. Or you can also press Ctrl H on your keyboard. So when we go to replace, a find and replace dialog box will open in front of you. Now what do we want to find? Here we just want to find F. So we'll type F here, and after typing F, we'll set it to is equal to with F here. So here you have to write F at the top, and below you have to write is equal to F, and then click on replace all. As soon as we click on replace all and then click OK, see it says all done. We made 21 replacements. After this, we'll close it. Now look, the last candidate we have is Eunice, and the course was graphics with a fee of 95,000. So now check here that we have Eunice, the course is graphics, and the fee was 95,000. And here we had 9,500 as the fee. So as you can see, here all this data has been arranged into separate columns and separate cells in this way in a short amount of time with the help of this small trick. So I hope that you definitely learned something new from today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.